Hotwire has the latest and most sensational scoop from Bollywood today. Let's get started. And it's a bad news for SRK and Anushka Sharma, who are dancing around the trees quite literally, shooting for Imtiaz Ali's Next. Take a look at the latest leaked video where SRK and Anushka are spotted dancing on the streets. Movie ki footage leak ho jana doesn't seem like the best thing to happen. After months, Rakesh Roshan has chosen to break silence on Hrithik Roshan-Kangana Ranaut controversy. If he does choose to come out with the truth, it will shock everyone. He's busy with his upcoming movie. Once he gets free, he might speak about it. Looks like there is more to the sensational story. Going by the latest statement from Roshans, people can't wait to get more scoop from their lives. But for now, we wonder what Kangana has to say about this latest development.
अब मैं क्या बताऊं, वो आप बताइए.
After Deepika Padukone, Karan Johar has come out in the open to talk about depression. Karan has confessed to being directionless and aimless and said he'd often travel to other countries and walk alone. He would cook up excuses of meetings abroad to justify the travel and at times even slept for long hours in his hotel bedroom.
I wasn't apologetic about it. That was the path that I chose.
Going by the real stories behind the glamour we know, Bollywood isn't as glossy as it seems. Well, we all know Bachchans were not too happy with Aishwarya Rai's intimate scene in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. But guess what? It seems the tension in Aishwarya's life has increased after the trailer released. Quite possible, since Amitabh Bachchan, being the most active actor on social media, has not commented on the trailer even once when the world is talking about it. We hope the movie has more to Aishwarya's role, at least that will bring some peace in her life.
Yeah, but that is something you will be able to comment on, having seen me over the years.
Rakesh Roshan may have willingly backed off from the Krish vs SRK's movie with Anand L. Rai clash. But Hrithik doesn't seem too pleased with King Khan. Raees और काबिल की release date के clash होने के बाद SRK is being the hurdle for Hrithik again. We are glad Papa Roshan has controlled the situation before it could make for another controversy in Hrithik's life. Bollywood में ज़्यादा दुश्मन होना also doesn't seem like the best thing. No, Hrithik?
Who will take it forward? Let's see. That is my dare.
Katrina Kaif and Ranbir Kapoor may be over their breakup, but it seems the world still isn't. Do you know Chris Martin accidentally addressed Katrina Kaif as Katrina Kaif Kapoor? Whether this was actually intentional or an accident, only the actor's publicist would know. But like they say in Bollywood, any publicity is good publicity, you know?
कभी मैं क्या बोलूँ, ऐसे सिचुएशन में फंस जाता हूँ, तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस होता है, but अभी थोड़ा बहुत मैं ईज हो रहा हूँ.
Have you guys heard this? Reportedly, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Padmavati is releasing in 2018 and not 2017. Right. After the drama Shahid and Ranbir created to get more attention than the other, we are skeptical if they will allow the makers to start the shoot, whether 2017 or 2018. Padmavati's release will surely be a bigger celebration than its success at the box office.
अब लोग finally देखने वाले हैं. So I'm very happy, very excited, very nervous अपनी फिल्म को लेकर.
Katrina Kaif is on cloud 9. Do you know why? Because she has hopes of having another record-breaking blockbuster soon. अब सलमान खान के साथ 4 साल बाद collaborate करना isn't anything less than a big achievement. And guess what? Katrina says she's excited to work with him in the sequel to Ek Tha Tiger. Good for you, Katrina. High time we see you in news for your movies only. And we will be back with more news from your favorite stars and movies on Hotwire.